Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a very simple natural hairstyle. Yes, it's simple, but I also believe it's cute, and I realize you guys like some of the easier hairstyles, so I don't mind doing them for y'all. So I'm just parting out my hair for the style that I'm going to be doing. I'm taking off the front section for right now. Now that I got it sectioned off how I want it, I'm going to go ahead and hold the back away with a hair tie since I'm going to be working on the front. Now I'm going to separate this side in two to even out my braids. I'm trying to do 4 on this side and 4 on the other side, and I'm trying to get the braids on or around the same size, so this is how I do it. And then I'm gonna also split this one in two, and this is how I get them to be on or around the same size. I like to add jam on the parting because this will help to make it look so much sharper. So after parting for the first time, I usually go back over it after I add the jam. So I'm just taking out a small piece on the side right here that is gonna be like a little sideburn thingy, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not gonna be laying it down with jam. And this is optional. If you don't want to do this, you really don't have to, but I just like the look of it, so that's the reason why I took it out. I'm also adding more jam onto my hair before I start my cornrow, so that's what I'm doing here. And I use the tail of the comb to smooth the jam into my hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and start my cornrows, and these are going to be regular cornrows going back. So the reason why I'm doing my hair like this is because my hair is now at a length where I'm absolutely in love with it, and I just want to do styles that's going to make me want to wear my own natural hair more than, you know, adding extensions all the time and wigs and stuff like that. So guys, if you want to see more styles like these, let me know in the comment box and I'll try to make more videos like that for you. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my second braid, and again I'm smoothing the root of my hair using the tail of my comb after applying the jam onto it. Now for my second half on this side, I'm also parting it straight down the middle, and like I said, this is how I'm gonna end up getting them on or around the same size all through. Now that I'm all done with this side, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera exactly the same way. This is what it's looking like so far. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some hair jewelry onto the end of the cornrows, but still at the roots, just to add some style to it. What I have in this bottle is water, leave-in conditioner, and some oil, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray it all over my hair to get it a little wet. Now I'm gonna add my African Pride Moisture Miracle curling cream onto it. Don't worry, I got a better picture here for you guys so you can see what I'm using. I really love this stuff. It really does moisturize my hair, and it definitely does define the curls. So yes, I really love this stuff. I believe I found this one in Dollar General, but if I could find a link for it on Amazon, I will link it down below. So check that out. When I'm applying it into the back of my hair, I go through it in sections. This way I could get it, where I want it and define the curls a little bit better than just rubbing it in all over. I use my fingers also to comb through it each time I apply it onto it, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's the way I put it in my hair. I did put a good amount in my hair and you'll see even after doing my makeup it was still on my hair, and I do have eye porosity here, so my hair takes a very long time to dry or soak up the product. So now that I have more than enough in it, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. So here we are, guys, with the finished look. I am so in love with it. My hair did shrink, as you can see, but I don't care because it's still so cute. And oh my god, I am so obsessed with this. I just want to keep wearing my natural hair just because of, this style right now. And as you can see in the back of my hair, let's get to it. Yeah, there we are. It still has some of the product in it because my hair wasn't fully dry, but when it was dry, the product was all gone. So guys, if you like this video and want to see more like it, please let me know down below. Remember to check the description box for the link of some of the products I used today. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.